Hello guys, welcome to Tech Inquisitive. Today I will show you how to insert SIM and microSD card on Nokia 6. So you can simply put your device, power off your device, or put your device into uh, airplane mode to insert SIM card. Then use the SIM ejector to remove the SIM tray right here, and push with the SIM ejector beside the SIM ejector hole, and the SIM ejector will be pop up. Now gently remove the SIM ejector, and here you will find a nano SIM slot and a microSD card slot, or you have to use a nano SIM card in the slot. So you can use two nano SIM card, or you have to use a nano SIM and a microSD card in the slot. Put the microSD card right like this, and put the nano SIM card like this. Then insert the SIM tray following this. You can see this is the front side of the phone, and you have to keep in mind that you have to insert this corner right like this. You have to be very careful when inserting the SIM tray, and insert it very slowly and gently. And here we go. Now you can unlock your phone and remove the airplane mode, and here you can see SD card has been detected. You can see the microSD card detected successfully, and the SIM card also. And here you can see I'm checking my balance. You can see everything is working fine, and here is the SIM microSD card. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed this and hope this will be helpful. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button, and you can subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials like this, and hope to see you in the next one.